Hi everyone, this is Yoo Mi. Welcome back to Yoo Mi Cooking channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make one of the most popular food of Japan. It's Japanese eel marinated with teriyaki sauce, and in Japanese its name is Unagi Donburi. Now let's get started. I have an eel here. You can see it's too big. You can buy it in any supermarket. I have garlic, teriyaki sauce. You see, you just saw the teriyaki on the mug. Roasted sesame, oyster sauce, and finally is honey. First of all, you need to wash the eel. I use lime and salt to clean the eel. It's very helpful. Now it's totally clean. Now we need to remove the bone inside the eel. First of all, I will cut it into small parts. This is my eel after removing the bone. Now I will flavor it with pepper, olive oil, and garlic. Now I will make the teriyaki sauce. Use 4 spoons teriyaki sauce. One spoon oyster sauce, and 2 spoons honey. Now mix it. You have perfect teriyaki sauce for your eel. We need to fry the eel before cook it with the teriyaki sauce. And here is my Unagi Donburi. It looks so delicious, right? This is my recipe to make Unagi Donburi. Hope that is useful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe Yoo Mi Cooking channel for more interesting cooking videos. See you on the next video. Bye bye.